Hey guys, I think we should make a Cheezit cake.
Yeah!
What?
Sounds good.
A Cheezit cake?
That's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard of.
This isn't scripted.
Cheezit cake. Alright.
Cheezit though? We got pepper jack?
I don't know, I like white cheddar.
Cheddar off the Parmesan.
Hey everyone, my name's Ray Thomas.
And I'm Ethan Mendoza.
I'm Ryan Manikowski. I'm Jason Salud.
And I'm Tiffany.
Today is the day that we make cake. Welcome to my birthday. Some sport. Am I on the hot setting or the cold setting?
Oh, you're hot.
I'm on the hot setting. Simba, don't touch it. Your ice cold personality will ruin everything. So what you gotta do is you gotta soak yourself. We don't have time for 30 minutes though, so we'll just do 3 seconds.
Hey, yo, can I go?
Alright, now it's time to burn this. Really easy and really
all at
fun. Just as fun as last time. Alright. And wash. Dry. Now you dry it. Ray, you're up. Pour yourself some soap.
Hi.
Oh, what the heck? Any words, brave man?
I'm hot. Just like that water.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Cheezit. White and brown. Yellow butt. Brown cow juice. Racially perfect eggs. Yellow vegetable juice. Happy Hanukkah. And yeet. So, cake batter is the essential ingredient. We don't have that. Cheez-Its. I already got the spoon. You got the bowl? Hey!
It's done.
And it's the latest one.
This is just his airman side note.
I kill those creepers every time, yeah. We're playing
The
mine.
third installment of Cool Cooking Crew. I feel like this is the one that's going to start the fire. I really do.
This is the fourth.
Is this the fourth?
Yeah.
I'm not sorry.
Alright. Simba Sharif, we got our bowls and our spoons. Now, time for the Cheez-Its. Ray, bequeath my Cheez-Its. Alright, Thomas, you're coming over here. Teach me how to grind the Cheez-It.
First, you're going to want to open the box. It's a very delicate process that requires a lot of concentration and focus. You cannot do this while looking away at the product. It is very dangerous. And just grate it out. You can miss the entire thing. Don't zoom in. Alternatively, if you do not have a cheese grater like I do,
Do you have a crusher
I got this.
to make it into a powder?
actually, pour the cheeses into the bowl. Pour them straight into your food processor.
The thing's covering the food processor.
And that's fine, this part isn't important.
That was Cheezit. Don't you
Darn
dare.
right it was.
I don't know what you're throwing in there.
And make sure it's plugged in. It is nighttime. It's real Jesus hours, so we're trying to be quiet.
I kill those creepers every time, yeah. We're playing Minecraft.
Yeah, there's still a lot of solid parts in here. We need this into fine dust, people. Fine dust.
Mine does. Here. Mine switch out.
And put more. You're making them mad.
I kill those creepers every time, yeah. We're playing Minecraft.
And we're seeing like a little bit part of the first. We're seeing was actually starting to get a little bit part of the first. You don't feel it.
Clean it first. Safety.
It's already clean. You cleaned it before you used it.
Alright.
Alright, time for the milk.
Not operate the camera. Why does Jason know how to operate that camera more than I do?
You don't.
You do, it says right
Yeah.
there. No.
Why not?
Chocolate. 1% low fat milk.
You're being paid to not say anything.
Thank you.
Not you.
One.
Looks like
I
Rice
can't see.
Looks like
The
Rice
camera can't
Krispies.
see me.
Looks like Rice Krispies.
It looks like Rice Krispies.
Hey, you gotta shake it first.
He did
I
shake
did.
it first.
Okay.
That's really good.
Ooh, let me have some. Yeah, baby, let
You
me
just made cereal. Now we need to.
Let's go.
Something like. You know the feeling. On big time.
Because it didn't solidify very well, or the opposite, because it didn't powderize really well, we're going to use the moisture to seep into it to create a more doughy texture.
I don't think that's how the.
What did every producer say to you?
Close things.
What did every
Ray!
producer say to
You didn't close it.
About
I didn't open it.
That's a really weird look.
Bro, it smells like Captain Crunch. Great. Alright. So now that it's juiced up, it's time to crack an egg, Tom. Are you ready to crack that?
I cracked
Well,
eggs.
first you want to spin it. Okay, great.
No, you should. Damn.
Do we need oil?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, we need oil.
I can say,
2 tablespoons.
no, spoon. Full, a spoonful. That is way too much.
No problem.
You trying to give us cholesterol?
And just scrape it out.
What are you doing?
Taking the oil out.
Alright, this is my favorite.
You can't see it. Can you see it?
Jason's in the way, right?
I wasn't born yesterday.
If you're a professional, you don't need to start it off. It's already started off.
I need to start it off.
Jason's.
Is that all I do?
Yeah.
To be honest, we use too much milk. More Ritz.
Yeah.
Ethan, give me a good pose. Gorgeous. Keep going, keep going. There you go.
Need another egg.
Why? Why?
We need another egg.
Why? What's the egg gonna do? Don't. The egg's gonna make it more liquidy. You don't want it liquid.
No, it's not.
It will.
You know what happens when you cook an egg, Simba? Does it turn into liquid?
We're not talking about after we cook it. We're talking about before you cook it. There's a certain consistency.
This ain't it.
Exactly.
What do you do when
It's too much
you wanna
liquid.
make
That's what I'm
your thing
saying.
more solid?
Add more Ritz.
More Ritz, huh?
More Ritz.
Your cake more solid. Jason, why are you so thick?
You did that real good. Okay, now you gotta smell it. Does it smell like cake
I
batter?
ain't smelling nothing.
Let me smell it then. Let me get away from that.
Moderate.
Tell that. That smells like good batter.
This oven smells hot.
Yeah, it does. Sometimes you just gotta swat some things.
Stop. Stop.
Wisdom 101. If you gotta swat something, swat it with your leg.
Ray, do you have cake pan?
Cake, man.
Ray,
Pan.
do you have cake pan?
No.
And pan?
You can check
Don't.
upstairs.
You never had whole cake?
No.
That's not what it's called.
That's not called whole cake.
Hey, you got one whole cake.
So when the glitter paper.
Yeah. You ready for that pour?
Oh yeah.
Looking like oatmeal.
I think it's too
But feeling like it's juice.
solid.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it is.
Put this mysterious mixture that looks a lot like cake, or Rice Krispies and oatmeal, into the oven.
Open wide.
That's not really licking the spoon. That's more like eating it.
That's more like being
Did I just
fed.
say open wide or did I say something else?
Ooh, my leg saved that. You should move that.
Watch your thumb, Ray. Oh my gosh.
Let's take it out.
I just gotta check it.
That is way too wet.
On the side it is. That's what she said.
It looks like a giant oatmeal raisin cookie.
I think that's the best it's gonna get though.
That looks like a bread bowl.
Any opinions? I think it's racist at all.
The pies.
The pie.
If you think this is a pie, you got. I said the pies were better. Are you? Do you want something?
Scoop it. Not a good one, but it's never been that
Girl,
way.
I'll be your good one.
Ray? Ethan or Ray?
Or Raven.
Nathan? Can you
Raven.
put Nathan?
No.
And a 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Ja 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 ja. Happy birthday to you. Ja 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 ja.
Happy birthday,
Dear somebody.
Happy birthday to you.
Now that I'm really close to it, looks okay.
Nice, Isaiah.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Give me a
There
piece.
is a level of fear with this piece of cake.
Give me a piece.
Don't eat it yet,
It's just
right?
because it needed to cook for probably 30 more minutes, but it doesn't matter.
Simba, can you serve me one?
What do you mean? I'm holding the camera. Somebody
yeah,
needs to
one
serve
second.
me one.
Someone serve Simba. No, yeah.
Transfer. Transfer complete. Okay.
What?
Wait.
Did you want one?
Yeah.
And cheers.
Cheers. Bon appetit.
I love Cheezits and undercooked egg and
It's not undercooked.
chocolate.
It's not that bad.
What kind of texture is this?